Good morning, everybody, and welcome to this week's vlog. Still here in Kicking Horse and getting ready for competition day. 2 days ago, we had the 2-star Wrangle the Chute event, and today is our competition day for the 4-star Wrangle the Chute. We're actually on the same venue as the Freeride World Tour guys were earlier this season, but sadly we don't have nearly as much powder as they did. Just got my hands on the start list, and it looks like I'm starting 6th today, so that's interesting. I like starting in the back usually, but I'll make it work. No worries. So just making my way up for inspection, and as you can probably tell, it's super sunny, barely a cloud in the sky. Just some perfect conditions to send it. Yeah, like this would not be that tough if the takeoffs were okay, but they aren't. So, run went pretty well. I completely blanked on putting my GoPro on my head before I dropped in, and I realized right as I crossed the finish line I didn't have it on. So I skied that whole run with my GoPro in my pocket, and therefore the only footage that I'm going to have is screen capped from the cameras that they're filming with for the event. As for the run, it went pretty well. I 3'd off the top cornice, skied down, had some good turns, got some pow, and then did a techie little small air and skipped my third air because it's kind of sketchy. I would have had to pre-jump over a rock, air over a tree, and then slow down before flying off of the cliff under it. As for my third hit that I actually did, came off of it, wasn't totally sure where I was, just sent it and landed right on a rock. So hopefully the footage that I can get will show that, but in case you don't believe me, I'll show you.
Lookers left on top of the actual cornice. But please join us as followed by the official after party at 9 p.m. to 1 a.m.
Back up to the top of Ozone. We've got our next athlete dropping in. 6th skier of the day. .316 off that top cornice, blowing up some snow. Off that air, finding a supported pocket to land in. Airing into the straight line. Ooh, catching his tips on a rock but holding it all together. Sticking it on to, or keeping it on his feet, I should say, will probably result in a bit of a ding in the control, but we're just happy to see that he didn't eat it in that technical kind of no fall area. Stayed on his feet and rode away as clean as the circumstances allowed.